Working as a medical professional in medicine. A career with a lot of different aspects and challenges. It is a job in which you collaborate with other professionals and are busy attending to the health of your patients every day. This is why you, and many other candidates, have decided on a study in medicine. Because we want to give our students the time and attention that they need to become medical professionals, we only have a limited number of study places. Each year, the University of Groningen has 410 places available for new medical students. Since there are always more candidates than available places, a selection procedure will be organized. Unfortunately, you are only allowed to participate once. The selection process starts on the 1st of October and continues until the 15th of April. This video will explain the various steps of the procedure and how you should prepare for it. The first question you should ask yourself is, what must I do to secure a study place? First, you must register via StudyLink. You can do so from the 1st of October until the 15th of January. If you live in the Netherlands, you need a DigiD to log on to StudyLink. If you live abroad, you need a username and password to log on. Note that applying for a DigiD or a username can take several working days, so make sure you do this on time. Registration via StudyLink closes on the 15th of January. If you have registered on or before that date, this will be regarded as an attempt to participate in the selection procedure. Candidates from the BES Dutch Caribbean Islands must contact the organizers of the selection procedure after their StudyLink registration. The University of Groningen will then assess whether you can be admitted to the degree program. To do so, the office needs various documents, which you must upload to the online application system no later than the 15th of January. You will receive instructions on how to proceed after your registration in StudyLink. After you have submitted your application in OAS, including all the required application documents, you will receive an email in which the admissions office confirms that your application will be processed. Note that you must have received this confirmation email no later than the 15th of February. The sooner you register, the sooner you will receive your confirmation email. Therefore, register in both StudyLink and the online application system as soon as possible, but no later than the 15th of January. The University of Groningen is looking for candidates with ambition, talent, cognitive and non-cognitive qualities. All of these are necessary for a successful study and career. In addition, the UG feels that candidates should fit the specific properties of the medical degree programs in Groningen. Obviously, the university and degree program should also suit the candidate. Before you decide to participate in the selection procedure, you should familiarize yourself with your future profession, your preferred degree program in the city of Groningen, and the 4 learning communities. The latter is important because you must choose a learning community by the end of January. If you decide to continue after you registered in StudyLink, the next question you need to ask yourself is, how do I prepare for the selection day? If you have correctly registered in StudyLink, the University of Groningen will send you an invitation for the selection procedure, which will be held on either Saturday the 15th of February or Sunday the 16th of February. The selection day will take place in Groningen and follows a busy schedule. You should prepare for the day by studying the material sent to you and completing the assignments. Instructions for these assignments will be sent to you by email on either the 9th or the 16th of January to the email address you registered in StudyLink. Ensure that this address is correct and regularly check your spam box. What is the program of the selection day? You are expected in Groningen in the morning and will then be assigned to the learning community of your choice. The first thing candidates must do is to hand in their personal portfolios. In addition to the portfolio, you will be asked to complete a cognitive test covering the material sent to you. In the following non-cognitive test, you will be presented with several problem situations and asked what you consider the best solution. In other tests, you will have to give your perspective on the development in healthcare and answer several questions about a text presented to you. After this busy and for most candidates stressful day, the UG will process the test results. How does the University of Groningen decide whether I am a suitable candidate? The cognitive and non-cognitive tests will be assessed first. Are you among the lowest scoring candidates? Then your other tests, including your portfolio, will be put aside. You will receive a ranking based only on the results of these 2 tests. Unfortunately, this means that you will be assigned to the bottom of the ranking table and will almost certainly not be offered a study place. Did you score higher on these tests? Then your other tests are given equal weight. You can distinguish yourself from the other candidates with your portfolio in 2 ways. With an average above 8 on your final or penultimate examination mark, you will receive extra points. Extra points are also given to candidates who can demonstrate excellent achievements, for example in music or sports. Experiences related to the degree program, such as volunteer work or placements, are assessed in the other tests. The combination of test scores results in a ranking. However, your most important question will obviously be: when will I know whether I have been admitted to the degree program? You will receive 2 rankings on the 15th of April. The first concerns your study place, and the second your preferred learning community. If the first ranking is 410 or lower, you will be offered a study place, provided that you satisfy the entry requirements no later than the 15th of July. The second ranking indicates your place within the learning community. Each community can accommodate no more than 110 students. If your study place ranking is lower than 410, but your learning community ranking is higher than 110, you may be barred from the community of your choice. However, you should be patient, since by April 2019 it will not be known yet whether all candidates will meet the entry requirements on time. You could therefore still be placed in your preferred community. Ultimately, this will become clear in August, when all final examination results are known. This also applies to candidates with a study place ranking just over 410. The university will offer study places from April to August. Obviously, being granted a study place is fantastic news. Note, however, that you must accept this place in StudyLink within 10 working days. Good luck with your study choice and your preparations for the selection procedure.